Hey, how's it going? My name's Jay, and I'm making a quick review of the Propur Water Filter. The reason why I got this was after doing extensive research. I chose this one and another one. I forgot what the other one's brand name was, and it doesn't matter because it sucked. But we just recently moved out here like 6 months ago in the state of Nevada and from New York. And one thing I learned about the water in Nevada is that it has fluoride in it. And we don't like fluoride. We don't like consuming fluoride. We use fluoride-free toothpaste. And we don't get fluoride at the dentist. That's our choice. But anyway, if you're into that kind of thing too, and you don't want fluoride in your water, and you happen to live in a place where there is fluoride in your municipal water, get one of these because this filters out, I think it's 97.4% of the fluoride. It's not perfect, but it also filters out a ton of other things. Like, let's see if the list is in here, because this is the box. This is the original box. We've had this for a while. I'm actually going to show you the replacement filter. Oh, it's not in here. Anyway, on their website, it tells you that they have like a PDF of the test results. Their website is purewaterfreedom.com, or you can click the link below this video in the description. There'll be a link to get it from Amazon, or you could get it from purewaterfreedom.com as well. Anyway, who cares? You don't have to get it. I'm just telling you, if you want to check it out and get more information, you can go to those places. But anyway, so this is the filter. There's actually still water in there. So we've had it for a while, right? And this is the original filter that came with it. We got this, it's the middle of May. We got this in January, or the end of January, early January, beginning of February, I don't remember. And I'm gonna show you everything it comes with. So it comes in all these different, comes with this. This is like a little, it's like a container that you could put fruit in so you could infuse the water if you like drinking flavored water. I never took it out, I don't know why. It comes with this filter. This is the filter that came with it. It comes with this little screw here. Let me just put this back in here for a minute. I'll show you the filter. So this filter is kind of dirty. I don't know if you could tell, but it's a little dark. And I'll show you the difference between a new filter and this filter. And this filter we've had for I'd say 3.5 months. And I've had to, it lasted this long, which is great because we have a family of 6. But actually, I knew we would be drinking a lot of water, so I bought 2 of them because we needed it. So we'll go through. This will probably, when the filter's running good and it's filtering the water as quickly as it can because it's newer or it's cleaner, it probably makes like 8 to 10 mason jars worth of water every day if you're staying on top of it. And as soon as it's full, you fill in your mason jars like this one. Look how clean that water is, by the way. But over time, as this gets used and it has a lot of water filtered through it, it doesn't filter the water as quickly. So what happens is the water just starts filtering really slow, and then you start wondering, where's all the water? What happened to all the water? So it was time to get a new filter, and this is the new filter. And this is the old filter. I don't know if you could tell the difference. But this one's a lot lighter than this one. It might be hard to tell in the video. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to show you how it works. And the other thing was, when we first moved out here, we weren't sure what we were going to do because we're renting this house. And I wasn't about to buy a whole house water filtration system. Plus, a lot of the under the sink ones, most of them are good, but a lot of them don't filter fluoride, and the ones that did were like very, very expensive, and I didn't want to, I didn't even think they were that good. I forgot the ratings weren't that good, or they just were wrong or something. I don't remember. It just wasn't, there weren't many options in that. And then I knew about this. I knew about the Berkey filter. I knew about a lot of it, but I didn't want that gigantic like tin can sitting on top of the, on top of my counter all day. This goes in the fridge. It fits, it fills up. You just got to stay on top of it. So this is the new filter. This is how the new filter comes. Comes with the washer. It comes with another screw that you put in there. They tell you to prime it. by running it under cool water for 2 minutes and just hitting it like this with the sponge that comes with it. You just, I don't know if you can see this, but you just scrub on it for 2 minutes and it basically gets it ready to go. All right, and then let me get this out of the way. Get this washer out of here, the old washer. I probably should clean this, I guess, but I'm not going to for this video. Just want to make the video for you guys. And I'm kind of all over the place, but the biggest thing I want to get back to was we were buying, you know, waters by the pitcher. We were, well, not the pitcher, by the bottle, like the big bottles of like, I forgot what it was called, the Glacier, something Glacier water. And they just had a study that, you know, they actually like paid a fine because they had like high amounts of arsenic in their water. We're also getting, what's the other brand? It's like the Poland Spring equivalent. It's, I can't think of it right now. It doesn't even matter, but because the bottled water is expensive. And just, you know, we were going through the big gallon jugs. We were going through 3.5 of those a day, 3 to 4 of those a day, between cooking with it and drinking it. And then if we were to just use the regular cases, I think I have some of the bottled water because I bought, anyway, it doesn't matter. I still have some left. We don't drink it because we have this, but we were going through, let's see, almost, you know, 3 or 4 cases a week. So it just made more sense. Plus, you know, you don't know how clean that water is. It's cleaner. It is clean water. It's cleaner than just faucet water. But when this water runs, like, I can smell the chlorine in the water. It's like, it's so bad. You can smell all of it. And by the time it comes out and it's filtered through, you don't smell anything anymore. And the water tastes amazing. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. I have the washer in here. Just push it through here. Whoops. Couldn't find the hole. There it is. Anyway, all right, so you screw this on the top. Make sure it's in there good. I'm going to take this out because I don't even use this, so there's no point in having it. I'll just unscrew that. All right. Make sure this is in there tight. Make sure this is on here correctly. And look, you can see like over here, this is like the sediment from the faucet water. Look how disgusting that is. It's like that white stuff. And obviously it's different everywhere. But I'm gonna fill up the water. You wanna use cold water. And I wish I knew the other brand, but that I was testing. I bought one of these pitchers and one of the other pitchers just to see how the water tasted against each other. And the other one was nasty. All right, so it's full to the top. The other one was nasty, and the water was going through much faster. Like the water was flying through. It was like it was barely filtering it at all. And you could kind of tell because the water didn't taste good at all. And the water here literally takes a long time to filter. It's not that bad, you get used to it, but look, it's like, this is full. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there's water everywhere now, but I don't know if you can see it, but it's full. There's water in here. So it's making its way through the filter. It's eventually gonna start dropping into here and gaining momentum. But once I took my first sip of this water, I knew it was so much better. It was so much better. It's amazing. And it lasted so long. And there's a lot of us here, so I got 2. So if you have 3 kids, we have 4 kids here. If you have 3 or more kids, I would get 2 of them. If you have 2 kids, I would even get 2. We also have 2 dogs who drink a lot of water. But anyway, I'm not gonna drink this water that comes through here yet because I'm supposed to cycle it through a couple of times. But that's basically it. I'm gonna keep the video rolling until the water actually starts coming through. But it's in there, the filter's in. I'll show you what it looks like with a filter that's, this one also needs to be replaced. I have a second filter that I'm gonna swap out over here. This is what the filter replacement cartridge comes with. It comes with the filter, it comes with a new washer, and a new screw that holds it in place. Hold on. And it comes with that sponge. Just don't put soap on this sponge. You're not supposed to clean it with soap. But you want to hold on to this as well because after a while, you'll start noticing it's not filtering the water as quickly. And you'll want to use this to clean off basically the gook and the crap from the faucet water. And I've cleaned this, I think I've cleaned this like 4 times and it's been good. It's just, I have the new filters, so I'm just gonna put the new filters in. I might as well. I could even keep these if I wanted to and buy more filters, but I'm not, I'm probably just gonna chuck these because the new filters will last me another 3 or 4 months. No problem. So anyway, that's that. Let's see, is the water coming through yet? Oh, here you go, the water's finally coming through. And that's basically the speed. This is the water in the other filter. It still works good, but once this starts moving, it goes a little faster, and you can tell the difference. But this is why, if you have a big family, if you have 2 or more, if you have 2 kids, 3 kids, or more, this is why you want to get 2, because it could, it takes a little while. It probably takes, when it's filtering at the fastest it can filter, it usually takes like 2.5 to 3 hours to fill up, up to about here. And then I dump it out into the mason jar. I'll show you. I have a bunch of these mason jars, but let me just look at it. Look at that water. Water is so clean and it tastes so good. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. Here's the water filtering through. I'm gonna have to do this a couple of times the first time around, the first use of the filter, and then they'll be able to drink the water out of it. But that's basically it. If you want to check this out, click the link in the description below or on the side or wherever the description is when you're watching this. And you can get it from Amazon. If you don't want to support Amazon or Jeff Bezos, you can get it from the website purewaterfreedom.com as well. There'll be a link down below for that as well. All right, have a good day. And look, it's starting to filter pretty good. It's picking up speed. So anyway, it's a great filter. We love it. The water tastes amazing. Never hear a peep out of the kids. They love it too. And you will as well. Enjoy the rest of your day.